This one is a 1914 Underwood number 3 standard 12-inch platen. I'll show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. One's in really nice condition for a 1914 model. Really clean. A load piece of paper. So this has to be in the up position to load it. If it's down, it won't load. And what that function does is it loosens the rollers underneath the platen, so you can just pull the paper out easily if you want to do that. So flip that up and load it. To set the margins, this is the left margin. As you can see, it will dictate where you want to start your typing. And this is your right margin, and we want that to be right there. Once you hear the bell, that means you're at the end of the margin, and you hit this line space here, it'll bring you back to the beginning and space it. Right now it's on double space, but we want it on single. So we have it on single now, and we'll try double next. As you can see, all the keys type perfectly and none of them stick. We'll type a sentence real quick, do a double space by switching that, and it has a 3 space too, but we'll do a double space, and it spaces 2 spaces. You can see the print, do a little, print looks really good. Let's work on the other functions. So here's how that function would work with this lever here. You push it down and you pull that paper out. Flip it back up. Backspace works good. This is your ribbon selector switch. You select either the low or this is the upper. So if you have a dual ribbon and you put it on black, it'll print the black. You can see in there it's a solid black ribbon, so we'll just keep it on black. But what happens is if you put it on red, it'll jump higher on the vibrator. As you can see, it's going higher, and you flip it on black and it doesn't go up as high, so that works good. This is how you do the ribbon direction control. So you push that in if you want it to pull to the left, and you can crank it to see which way it's going, and you pull it out if you want it to pull to the right. Right now we have the ribbon all the way on the left. All of it is brand new on the left, so we want it to pull to the right. So we just make sure that it's pulled out. On the back, this is where you have your tabs. So to move your tabs, you just do something like that and then push them back up. It's an old machine, so that you need to oil those up a little bit before. Okay. Pretty easy once you get them oiled up. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So you put them where you want them, and then you just hit the tab key, and it'll stop at each one of those. And shift lock on the right side will automatically lock, and then to release it, you hit the left side and it'll release. What else? I think that's about it. Now available now on eBay or Etsy. Search for Brooksaw Antiques.